Namaskar, my name is Dr. Arul Verma and I'm the head and dean at School of Legal Studies, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. We have BLLB program, BBLLB program, LLM program as well as PhD program. We have signed MOUs with GSAP Goa recently, and this MOU will help our students.
Our school is committed to academic excellence and to fostering a safe, inclusive environment.
To have hands-on knowledge in the field of intellectual property rights. At School of Legal Studies, we not only teach law, but we also try our best to prepare our students, future leaders. At School of Legal Studies, we have a panel of experts like judges from Supreme Court, High Courts, senior advocates, advocate on records, law professors. We also teach our students about the job description so that our students can prepare themselves for the interviews. We organize Moot competition. I'm very much confident that whoever will join School of Legal Studies.
Our well-resourced law library, we take pride in our state-of-the-art infrastructure.
And finally, I'm welcoming you all to School of Legal Studies, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Thank you.